Okay, so check this out. We're going to be making pancakes in the microwave when you're in a hotel because you don't have what you need. Okay, so you butter the plate. Then you add 1 ladle like this. Ooh, you add 1 ladle of pancake batter to the plate. I'll show you in a minute. Like so, right in the middle. Then you put it in the microwave for exactly 1 minute. And wait till you see. It's going to be amazing. And then you watch it go round and around. And then this is what they look like after. They don't have the brown marks that I like, but look a little white, maybe a little yellow, but we'll see how they taste.